So discussin naman natin ngayon yung tinatawag nating illustrating rational algebraic expressions. Ano nga ba ang tinatawag nating rational algebraic expression? A rational algebraic expression in one variable is an expression that can be written in the form of P over Q or P divided by Q, where P and Q are polynomials. Example, 4 over x minus 2. So 4 is a polynomial, x minus 2 is a polynomial. So our p here is 4 and our q is qx minus 2. Therefore, it is a rational algebra expression. Ganun din si 4x over x squared plus 9 at x squared plus 2x minus 35 divided by 3x plus 4. These are example of rational algebra expression. And remember that q is not equal to 0. Bakit hindi pwedeng maging 0 ang denominator? Just because kapag nag-0 ang denominator, it will be considered as undefined. At tandaan din natin na an expression with a variable with negative or fractional exponents, division by a variable, or a variable inside a radical is not a polynomial. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng exponent na negative, exponent na fraction, at magkaroon ng variable sa loob ng radical. Kapag isa sa mga yun ay present, ibig sabihin, ang given expression is not a polynomial. Proceed naman tayo ngayon sa simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Example, let us simplify 4a over 12b in its simplest form. So to simplify this, we need to get the GCF. GCF stands for greatest common factor ng numerator and denominator. So in this case, let us find out what is the GCF of 4 and 12. So ano yung biggest number, the largest number na pwedeng mag-divide sa 4 and 12? And that number is 4. And after that, we need to divide out the common factor do sa numerator and denominator. So we need to divide 4a and 12b by 4. So 4a divided by 4 is a, and 12b divided by 4 is 3b. So the simplest form of 4a over 12b is a over 3b. Example number 2. Let us simplify 4w squared over 6w minus 8w squared. So, ang una natin gagawin is to factor the expressions. So, kung anong pwedeng ma-factor, ipa-factor natin, numerator or denominator. So, in this case, ang factorable is yung ating denominator na 6w over minus 8w squared. And that is factorable by the greatest common monomial factor. And the greatest common monomial factor nito is 2w. 6 and 8 is 2 and w squared is 2w. So the factor of that is 2w times 3 minus 4w. And then after that, divide out the common factor. So let us divide the common factor. So in this case, so pwede nating makancel si 4 at si 2. They are both divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then, we can also cancel w squared and w kung saan matitira naman si w sa taas. So, ang natira ngayon natin sa taas is 2w at sa baba is 3 minus 4w. And for the last example, let us simplify 2x minus 2y over x squared minus y squared. So unang step uli natin, factor the expressions. Like what I said a while ago, kung ano ang kayang i-factor, ifa-factor natin. So dito, both numerator and denominator is factorable. Yung ating 2x minus 2y, ito is factorable by greatest common factor, while x squared minus y squared is factorable by difference of 2 squared. Alam naman natin yan at napag-aralan natin yan before. So let us factor out 2x minus 2y. And the factor of that is 2 times x minus y. The common factor is 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x and 2y divided by 2 is y. And the factor of x squared minus y squared is x plus y, x minus y. Since the difference of 2 is square, ang kanyang factor niyan is sum and difference of binomial. Then after that, divide out the common factor. So in this case, 2x minus 2y over x squared minus y squared. The factor form 2 times x minus y over x plus y times x minus y. And now let us cancel the common factor. And the common factor x minus y So ang natira sa numerator is 2 at sa denominator is x plus y. So the simplest form is 2 over x plus y.